Well, good morning, campers. Today we are going to try out a new coffee grinder. I picked it up on Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. We're going to see how it works. Got the Base Camp breakfast blend. Whole bean. All right, I'll put it in the bottom first to measure out what we need. And then pour it into the top. Put that back on. That back on. Handle. And just grind. Now I've set it to a kind of coarse setting so I can use it in my French press. Got a little window here so I can see how it's grinding. Looks like it's grinding pretty good. So far, it feels really sturdy for 10 bucks. And it seems to be working pretty good. We will see how it turns out. I mean, it's coffee. At camp, pretty much all coffee is great. We're almost done. Getting there. I'm out here in lovely Eastern Washington, camped out on the Columbia River. Beautiful scenery to wake up to. And we're getting there. My little morning workout, upper arm workout. Yeah, upper body workout. We had some bighorn sheep up on the rocks there yesterday. Hopefully they come back down. Ooh. And we've reached the pinnacle. So that turned out pretty good. You see it ground up nicely. And yeah. Well, let's talk about the inner workings of this. Pretty simple in design how it works. You crank. Now, you pop that off, and you can see inside, this is the grinding part, and it's a ceramic wheel inside there. And you adjust by using this, you turn this until you get a good coarseness to it. It says to crank it all the way down until you feel it touch, and then spin it back for the finest setting. But I just kind of eyeballed the gap there and came up with a pretty coarse setting. And there's the grind we got. And yeah. All right. Let's fire up the coffee. Turn that on. All right. And cut to ready to pour. And the water is boiled. I just dump that in the French press. Stir that up. And this is the Stanley French press. A must have. Need to get that ready, but I'm not going to punch it in yet. All right, we'll have coffee in a minute. Let's press it down and see how good this coffee is. Like I said before, it doesn't matter. It is camp coffee, and it is what we need right now. Last night was crazy windy out here. Hard to sleep in that stuff. It's got a good color to it. Well, clean that up later. All right. Here's to burning my lips off. Oh, yeah. That's Morning Joe. So, hope you guys like it. Get outdoors.